is Layla and Nora here. We are going to make shell necklaces. So I got shells from Florida and we're going to make necklaces out of them. And we're also going to paint them. And this is my little sister. So we need pearls and shells and also paintbrushes and paint. You don't, and also glitter if you want to make it glittery. For making holes, you ask your parents to help you. That's one of my shells I got from Florida. We're painting shells. It's okay. My golden. What happened? It's okay, Nora. It's paint. Make sure you have something next to you as wet if you get some paint on your hand. And make sure you don't poke it in your eye. Never do this with a paintbrush, or you might poke your eye. So you grab, this is a baggie of these rings. You get one of these, it'll not like magically come up, but it magically comes up for me too. And after it magically comes up, you open it. Like this. You see? So next you put it like this, and then you put like a necklace through it, and then it'll hang up like a necklace. So these are shell necklaces. We were making the whole entire time. We got these. Tell me which one you like in the comments. Now we're going to do beads on all of these ones. To put the beads on, you need a glue gun and beads. I got different kind of beads, but I'll show you one for right now. I'll actually show you like this. These are the two more. So I'm practicing how to use the glue gun right now, and I go to school, but I'm still going to practice 3 times. If you see these lines, it's just part of the glue. So this is how you do it. Now I'm going to do this shell. Very, very, very careful. Because this is one of the shells I never did before. I'll do 2 beads for this one. Because there's 2 spaces for these. And I'm done. So thanks for watching. These are all the necklaces we made. This is the necklaces we made yesterday.